If you have an iPhone, iPad and you forget the passcode and enter the wrong passcode too many times, then your iPhone is locked and shows iPhone unavailable, security lockout, or on the old version, iPhone is disabled. All are the same. You have 10 attempts to enter the passcode. After the 7th incorrect passcode attempt, you will see iPhone unavailable. Try again in 1 hour. After iOS 15, you find my iPhone is turned on, then below the left side here, you can see Erase iPhone option. When it says iPhone unavailable, try again in 1 hour. If you want to fix your iPhone without PC, then this option is best for you to erase your iPhone. If you want to erase, then follow this process. You have to connect to the Wi-Fi to see this option. So you need to tap Erase iPhone and enter the Apple ID passcode used on this iPhone and tap on Go. Your iPhone will erase itself. This may take some time. To be patient, and the battery needs to be 50% to above. This is a good option if you hope to unlock your unavailable iPhone without using a computer. After the process is complete, your iPhone gets unlocked. Then attempts to enter the passcode and erase iPhone option shows. Here you can see Wi-Fi is connected and erase iPhone option shows, but if you restart your iPhone or change Wi-Fi network, then erase iPhone option not showing. Before restoring, you have to prepare this. Always download the latest and signed firmware. iTunes or through tool like software must be on PC. You have to restore your iPhone. Power off your iPhone. Let's do it in the recovery mode. The key combination was different on iPhone models, so press the power key and hold. Now insert the cable and wait for showing recovery option on the screen like that. The PC shows the iPhone in recovery mode. Here you can see too many options. The first option is return user data, means restoring iPhone without any data loss. All data remain the same if you choose this option. Phone unavailable option still remain after restoration. So go to the second option, quick flash mode. Click on flash. This will start the flashing process. Wait for the process to complete. This may take 5 to 10 minutes. This will erase all the data on your iPhone. Now iPhone on the hello screen. Let's follow the screen instruction. Here you can see the iPhone locked to the owner. Now I enter the Apple ID passcode and now iPhone is activated. If your iPhone is locked to the owner, then how you can unlock? Video in the description below, check it out. Now job is complete. Don't forget to give feedback about the video. Don't forget to share your thought. If that stuff is helpful, then press like and subscribe to support. See you in the next video. See you soon.